Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to see first message on Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app. When you are on Instagram app, then we just need to find the chat that we want to see the first message in. So I am going to click on the home button and I am going to click here and basically just select a chat that I want to see the first message in. So let's say what I want to see in my first message in this chat right here, and what you want to do actually is to click. It's basically in the top right corner. For me it's like you can see my battery percentage in the top right corner, but for you I might be like your Wi-Fi symbol. So for example, but just click here and I am going to click here right now. Perfectly, as you can see, it actually like moved me to my first message, kind of like. Basically it might be that you have to do this is a couple of times actually, so maybe one time is not enough, but just keep doing it and it will actually load it very quickly, and you will be able to find your first message on Instagram doing this exact way. So this is the way how you can see first message on Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.